Hi, my name is Tushar. I'm one of the founders of Virtus Motors Private Limited. We are an electric bicycle manufacturer, and today I have two vehicles to show you. This is the Alpha E and this is the Alpha Y. Both of them are electric bicycles. So basically we run them in two ways. We have a throttle where you can throttle in with when you don't want to pedal or sweat it out, and then we have a pedal assist mode where when we pedal the motor kicks in and helps you go forward. Both the models come with a 250 watt motor. It comes with a removable battery pack, and this comes with a 7.5 amps battery pack that can give you a range of about 25 kilometers, and this has a 10.4 amps battery pack that will give you about a range of 25 to 30 kilometers on throttle mode. Both these models are manufactured here in Hyderabad by us. We have designed these models to be unisex, so any women, children and elderly can use it very comfortably. The Alpha Y is specifically built for rugged roads. So basically it has a long seat, it's a comfortable seat, it's a gel seat. So you can sit on it and you can enjoy your ride whenever you want. It's basically catered to women and elderly people. The Alpha Y comes with all the features included. It has two mudguards, front and back. It comes with a headlight up front, indicators. It also comes with a tail light and indicators at the back, and it has a horn. So that's the basics about both these electric bicycles. The Alpha E basically gives you a range of about 25 to 30 kilometers on one charge, and the Alpha Y gives you about the same on one charge. And the maximum speed of both these bikes is 25 kilometers per hour. And this is priced at 26,000 and this is priced at 37,000. There is no registration required for this. There is no license required to run the vehicle. And the weight of this bike is close to about 26 kgs, and that is about 29 kgs, including the battery. The Alpha E comes with a front suspension. The Alpha Y comes with no suspension, but the seat is very comfortable, so you don't really require a suspension at that speeds. The wheel diameter of this is 26 by 2.35, and the wheel that we have on that is a 16 2.5. Both are tubes wheels. There's no tubeless tires available currently. And the special feature of both these bikes is that we have a e-brake sensor. So when you press on the brake, the motor cuts off. So there's no power going to the motor when you press on the brake. And if you don't want to use the motor power, you can turn the system off and you can pedal. Or when there is no battery power left, you can just pedal and take it home. The battery is also removable, so you can just remove it, take it home and charge it whenever you want to. So it's a very small charging port right here. So you can just charge it and take it home. So this is the removable battery pack. You just put it back in. Turn the vehicle on from the on-off switch here. There are three modes of pedal assist levels: low, medium and high. So when you pedal, at high level you get a lot of power coming from the motor, and at low level you have a lower power coming from the motor. So it depends on your requirement, at which, if you're going on flyovers, you can go for a high level mode and then you can get more power from the motor basically. This is your throttle. So when you throttle, the motor kicks in and goes directly off. So you don't even need to pedal it at that time. So both these vehicles come with disc brakes, both front and back. These are 160 mm disc brakes on both the vehicles.